This is my bathroom tub, and this is me remodeling my bathroom to convert it to a shower. Stick around and I will show you how to make the barrier for the shower floor. Hi guys, my name is Andy, and this is part of my bathroom remodel series where I'm remodeling my entire bathroom. I'm doing everything myself. So if you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button and check out the videos that I already posted in the links below or in the cards. So building a barrier for the shower is pretty straightforward. You can use any type of pavers or bricks that are available to you. I used some pavers from Home Depot, and I mixed some thin set mortar, the same cement that I use for tile, to lay them out in the brick pattern. As you can see here, I used a small level to make sure that each brick that I put down was level to one another and by itself in both directions to make sure that I have a nice leveled surface. That way when I tile it, I have a nice flat looking finish. Then I used the margin trowel to clean up the excess cement. The end pieces ended up being about half pieces. I used my tile grinder to cut the pavers in half, and I used one on one side and one on the other side. Then I let it dry for about 24 hours, and now the shower floor is ready for mud set. Now hit that subscribe button to be notified for my next remodel video, and I'll see you guys next time.